Welcome to our Mission 8. Hope everybody has a good time.
Here's a day to go on the honor flight. I was in the military in 1957, and this is a great opportunity.
And I really am looking forward to it. I was stationed in Fort Myer, Virginia during 1964, and I worked in the Pentagon for about 3 months, so I'm looking forward to going back.
Right there. Hold it, big smile. Hold it, big smile. Perfect.
I am part of the honor flag detail when a member signs up to take the flight and they unfortunately don't make the flight. We take their flag in place of them, take it to the various monuments throughout Washington, and then when the flight comes back, we present it to the family. So I present the flags up to the person that's taking them with today on the flight. I'll retrieve them tonight. We have 3 families coming tonight that are going to receive their flags. The most honorable thing that a veteran can do is to pay tribute to a fellow veteran.